is it too late now to get into Sonorus, get yourself a node, and start the passive income train? I would say it isn't, and here's why. The project has been out for a few months by now, and you might feel like you missed out on it, it's too late. It doesn't make that much sense anymore. But here's the thing, when the token went down to about 3 cents a piece, they peaked at over 30 cents just recently, or about a market cap of $18 million, which is absolutely tiny. Even Delusium, after their initial launch and then drop off down to like 1.5 cents, they went up as a 40x, up to 65 cents. Now Sonorus is doing something similar here. They launched at around 7 cents, went down to 3 and then peaked at 30, but that is only what happened so far at the very beginning of this bull run. Even at the moment, with a token price of 15 cents per SNS token, a single node makes you about 24 SNS tokens per day, or in simple math about $3.60. Now while it doesn't seem like a lot, that means a single node makes over $108 a month, purely passively, without running any software. All you have to do is connect your wallet to the site, purchase a node, and that is it. It then generates tokens into your account that you can stake with an APR of 36, almost 37%, and benefit from the passive income. And I would say with a market cap of just $9 million now, this can easily go to 30, 40, if not $50 million, which would then turn your passive income every single day from $3.60 to $10 to $15 to $20 even, which then makes the return on investment in here about 1 to 2 months. A DJ node currently costs $1,250 and you need a referral code in order to make the purchase, for which I have this code up here as well as in the description down below. But the good thing is, this entire project is on the Binance Smart Chain, so we don't have any additional gas fees in here. And even when you claim your tokens, all you have to pay is 20 cents. They're listed on KuCoin and Maxi already, or you simply use your MetaMask and PancakeSwap and then sell the tokens that way. Just recently, they posted this over here for the upcoming upgrades alert, where they're thrilled to announce the upgrade of Beatmint AI, which will open to all SNS token utility, unlocking the power of AI for everyone. And if you believe that AI is one of the main focuses this bull run, which has been proven to be true so far, then this is definitely going to be up there with other node projects of similar size. For example, Maria, which is sitting at 163 million and peaked at just over 230 million in market cap. And even if Sonorus only gets 1/10 of that, then it's still a clear 2.5x in here, which then makes it $8 a day or $240 passively every single month. And compared to any traditional investment, that is simply good, if not insane, if I may say so. But what do they actually do? They want to make it so that music becomes far more decentralized as it is right now. When it comes to platforms like Spotify, for example, a big pay cut is simply for the platform and the people developing it, and not that much goes into the artist. So now, with their own app that they have, as well as their Beatmint AI, their Sonorus D app, and similar things, they want to make music more decentralized, give back to the artists, and allow us as users to own part of that and get some passive income with their DJ notes. Where the daily reward is going to be cut in half over time, so far we are all good in here and make quite a lot, as 300,000 SNS tokens are given out daily to DJ node holders, and I for myself wish I would have bought a few more nodes. Even though I'm just at 1 node so far, I think I will get another 3 to 4, as I believe with the current price of just 15 cents or a less than $10 million market cap, that this can easily go to 40 to 50 million just in the next couple months. Even simply by being included in AI-focused coins and charts out there, which then lead people to this project. We could even see that over the past 8 days of tokens that I first got 25 daily tokens, which now cut down to 23.9, or in other words, an extra 500 or so nodes have been sold just in the last couple days. And I don't want to fearmonger you into saying, you have to act quickly and get those soon, but based on this simple graph in front of us that looks like the Polish flag, we can clearly see that there is a downtrend for daily tokens or an uptrend in nodes being sold, and as they get more expensive over time, we are still somewhat early, especially if this does the same thing as Delusium and we see a clean 40x in here, or let's say at the current market cap, a clean 10x, then making $36 a day for something that only costs you $1,250 seems like a pretty good deal. If you compare it to similar projects that I talked about, like Delusium, Galaxis engines, Vision nodes, and similar, this is right there in the middle as a good deal for the money, but with huge upside potential moving forward. And for that, links to everything are down below. Make sure to use the code on screen when you make your purchase. And I will talk about additional passive income things on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. If there are any projects in particular you want me to check out, I will do so in upcoming videos. Just let me know down below. And until then, guys, have a good one and goodbye.